November 9th. That's Wednesday morning. This is your last opportunity before year end. That afternoon, we're in Palo Alto at the Elks Lodge. That's November 9th, Wednesday afternoon. The next day, we're in Dublin at the Ranch Golf Course, November 10th, Thursday morning. That afternoon, we're in Alamo at the Roundhill Country Club. And the next day, Friday, November 11th in the morning, we're in Sacramento at the Granite Bay Golf Club. But you must call now and register at 1-888-76-RADIO. I want to see you there. Register at 1-888-76-RADIO. That's 1-888-767-2346. That's 1-888-767-2346. 1-888-767-2346. This is Three-Dimensional Wealth Radio. Hi, Doug Andrew here. You know, as a financial strategist and retirement planning specialist for more than 45 years, I finally have dedicated the last 2 years to writing the ultimate book, The Laser Fund, How to Diversify and Create the Foundation for a Tax-Free Retirement. It's my favorite vehicle, and we have collected over 200 pages of charts, graphs, and illustrations to empower you. And if you're more right brain, you learn by stories. You flip the book over, and you read it the other direction. It contains 62 stories of actual clients who've employed the Laser Fund to diversify and save unnecessary tax. I want to gift you one when you attend my next event. Register by calling 1-888-76-RADIO. That's 1-888-767-2346. Call 888-767-2346. Attend my event to get your free book.
The preceding program is being sponsored by Three-Dimensional Wealth. The views, opinions, and beliefs expressed are those of Three-Dimensional Wealth and do not necessarily reflect those of the staff, management, and/or ownership of Cumulus Media or its partners. The preceding show is paid for by Three-Dimensional Wealth. The views, opinions, and beliefs expressed are those of Three-Dimensional Wealth and don't necessarily reflect those of the staff, management of Cumulus Media or other partners.
C4byGovMint.com. Have you heard? A recent stash of 1884 Morgan silver dollar coins has been found. These gorgeous 1884 O silver dollar coins are as bright and shiny.